Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem on your Jurassic app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, you just go down here, so you keep going down, then you click here on apps, come to apps list here until you're looking for Jurassic World app, or just click on search, then here at Jurassic World app, you just click on it here, so then it's going to take you to next step here. Just click on for stop, then you click on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store here, so you click here on Play Store, then here you search for Jurassic app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.